Picture this, 1999, Beverly Hills. The air is warm, the palm trees sway, and the city glows with a golden haze that makes everything feel possible. The dining room glows orange from a lava lamp, casting wavy shadows on the walls and making the ordinary seem magical. Max, Lola, and Chester slump at the table, plates half empty, victims of a culinary experiment gone wrong. The air is thick with the scent of spices and regret.
Woo! It's all part of the adventure, Max. Embrace the chaos. If we didn't try new things, we'd never have stories to tell. Tonight, my dreams will be wild. I can already feel my imagination running away with me. I'll probably trek through a blizzard, searching for a polar bear who knows the secret to a non-spicy taco. Maybe I'll find a snowman chef along the way.
I think I'm gonna have a nightmare that my stomach's a volcano. It's rumbling already, lava and all. But if I could dream of anything, it'd be flying, soaring over Beverly Hills, no traffic, just sky. The city lights would look like stars beneath me. Maybe I'd have wings or a jetpack. Maybe I'd just float, weightless, above it all. Anything to escape this burning sensation. My mouth feels like it's on another planet.
Max, sweating, pokes at a jalapeno. That was a mistake. A delicious, fiery mistake that he'll remember for a long time. My tongue wants to run for a fire hydrant. Even water can't save me now. Why did we try Volcano's Fury hot sauce? Curiosity, bravado, or just plain foolishness? The label had a skull and crossbones. We're not tough. We're just hungry and a little reckless. We're just three people who like tacos, and now we're paying the price. But at least we're in it together.
Next time we stick to mild, or maybe just ketchup.
Or just ice cream for dinner, no spice, just sweet, cold relief.
They laugh, the sound echoing through the house, mixing with the last notes of sunset outside. The pain already turning into a story for later. This night will be one they remember long after the heat fades. The night is young, and their dreams are about to get even weirder. Who knows what adventures await them in sleep? And so, the adventure continues, just not in the way they expect. In Beverly Hills, even a spicy taco can lead to the wildest dreams.
Oh wow, I'm in the fluffiest parka ever. Snow everywhere, and the aurora is magical. It's so peaceful. No heat, no spice, just this icy world. Okay, Lola, breathe in that crisp air. This is the adventure you wanted. Is that a polar bear? He's exactly like I pictured. Wise, waiting for me. I feel like this bear totally gets me. Nature is powerful out here. This is way better than my bedroom in Beverly Hills. He's waving. I'm about to ask the greatest question. How to make the perfect non-spicy taco. Excuse me, Mr. Polar Bear. What's your secret recipe for... Wait, what's that sound? Everything's glitching. Where is that noise coming from?
The dream starts to unravel, colors flickering, the polar bear fading.
No, not now. I was so close.
The icy world dissolves into static.
I'm flying, no wings, no jetpack, just me, soaring above Beverly Hills. The pools look like blue gems. I'm doing a loop-the-loop. Up here, I'm free, totally in control. I'll fly over Rodeo Drive, check out the shops from above. No crowds, just sky. This is better than any movie. Wait, what's that noise? Everything's warping. I'm losing control. No, come on, just stay up.
The sky shatters and Chester plummets into darkness. Max's dream is different. He's inside a computer. Dark space, glowing green code like the Matrix. He's in a silver jumpsuit facing a giant golden AOL gateway, the entrance to the World Wide Web. His mission achieved the fastest internet connection ever. He sprints toward a shimmering stream of data, dodging pop-up ads and leaping over literal firewalls. He's a cyber ninja, chasing pure speed. He can almost feel the power of a T1 line. No more waiting for pictures to load. No more getting kicked offline. He reaches for the data stream, victory within reach. The triumphant "You've got mail" echoes in his mind. Suddenly a terrible sound erupts, his own 56K modem screeching. The golden AOL gate shatters, the data stream slows to a crawl. The world of code freezes, glitching. Max's dream of high-speed internet turns into a buffering nightmare. The digital world collapses and Max is yanked back to reality. The dial-up noise echoes, relentless. Even in dreams, the internet is never fast enough. The dial-up screech halts. Silence. The room is frozen as if the world itself is holding its breath after the chaos. For a moment, all you can hear is the faint hum of electronics and the distant ticking of a clock. Max's bedroom door bursts open with a bang, shattering the stillness. Lola and Chester storm in, furious and disoriented, their faces twisted in confusion and annoyance.
Max, what did you do? I was at the North Pole talking to a wise polar bear. He was about to reveal something amazing. Then that sound scared him away. He just vanished into the snow. I'll never know the secret to the perfect taco. It was right there, and now it's lost forever.
I was flying, soaring above the rooftops, feeling totally free. Then that noise started, and I crashed right into a giant bowl of cereal. Why would you unleash that sonic demon at 2 in the morning? We were all asleep. Was it worth it, Max? Was it really that important?
Max stares at his computer, feeling betrayed by the very machine he loves. The glow of the monitor seems colder now. I'm sorry, guys, I just had to check my email. I couldn't sleep and it felt urgent. I dreamed I was chasing the perfect connection. It was so close, just out of reach, like a secret waiting to be found. But the dial-up monster gets you even in your sleep. There's no escaping it, not even in dreams. Lola and Chester's anger fades, replaced by tired understanding. They know this feeling all too well.
Next time, warn us before you summon the internet beast, or at least give us a chance to prepare.
Or at least let us finish our dreams first. We need our sleep, you know?
They all knew the pain of interrupted dreams. It was a rite of passage in the age of dial-up. The night's magic, broken by technology, lingers in the air. The glow of the screen is both a promise and a curse, but somehow they're all in it together. Even in the chaos, there's comfort in shared frustration. The adventure isn't over yet. Tomorrow, new dreams, and maybe, just maybe, a quieter night await. Lola and Chester sit on Max's bed, the tension from earlier now just a memory, replaced by a warm, sleepy camaraderie that only old friends can share. The room is a time capsule, VHS tapes stacked on the shelf, a Space Jam poster curling at the edges, and the soft blue glow of a frozen AOL screen on the old CRT monitor. Every detail feels like a snapshot from another era.
The struggle is real. We've all been there, right? Waiting, hoping, and sometimes just giving up. The quest for a stable connection is noble, I guess, even if it sounds like a pterodactyl in a blender. It's a battle cry for every 90s kid who ever tried to get online after midnight.
My dream of flying is like you trying to get online, full of hope, a little bit wild, and usually ending in a crash landing. Amazing for a second, then reality crashes down. The letdown is almost a tradition at this point. At least my crash doesn't wake the neighborhood. Yours, on the other hand, is a full-blown alarm clock for everyone on the block.
They laugh, united by a common enemy, slow technology and the endless patience it demands. All right, you win this round. It's the official soundtrack of frustration, a symphony of beeps and static that everyone knows by heart. I'll try to keep it down, or maybe just read a book and let the modem have its moment of glory.
Thanks, Max. Seriously, for putting up with all this chaos and still making us laugh. But next time, let's dream in peace. Or at least try to.
Max grins, undeterred, and clicks connect again. The speakers crackle to life. Beep-boop-bop-chee! The sound fills the room, as familiar as it is ridiculous. The three of them wince, groaning and covering their ears in perfect, hilarious unison, as if it's all part of the ritual. The dial-up nightmare is a shared one, and somehow it brings them closer, turning frustration into inside jokes and memories. The night ends with laughter, not frustration, as the glow of the screen fades and the room fills with stories and giggles. Sometimes the best adventures are the ones you survive together, and the memories you make along the way are what really last.